Welcome to Drive Cars. Today we're talking about the 2025 Toyota Hilux, one of the most dependable and capable pickup trucks in the world. The Hilux has always been known for its rugged strength, and for 2025, Toyota has taken things up a notch with fresh styling, improved technology, and more power under the hood. Starting with the exterior, the 2025 Hilux makes a bold impression right from the front. It features a redesigned grille that looks wider and more aggressive, giving it a commanding presence on the road. The headlights are now slimmer with integrated LED technology, offering both style and better visibility. Along the sides, the body lines are sharper, and the flared wheel arches give the truck a muscular look. Depending on the trim, you'll see upgraded alloy wheels, rugged side steps, and even sporty black finishes that make the Hilux stand out whether it's on a city street or a dirt trail. Performance is where the Hilux continues to prove its legendary reputation. Under the hood, the 2025 model is powered by a 2.8-liter turbocharged diesel engine producing around 204 horsepower and 500 Nm of torque. This engine offers plenty of muscle for hauling, towing, and tough off-road conditions. The Hilux is available with both 6-speed manual and automatic transmissions, providing flexibility for all types of drivers. Toyota has also upgraded the suspension for better comfort on rough surfaces without compromising its off-road capabilities. Whether you're on gravel, mud, or steep inclines, the 2025 Hilux is ready for the challenge. Inside the cabin, the focus is on practical comfort. The layout is clean and user-friendly, with improved material quality across the dashboard and seats. The infotainment system includes a new touchscreen interface with support for Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, making it easy to stay connected. The driver's seat offers good support, and in double cab versions, there's decent room for rear passengers. It's not luxury focused, but it delivers everything needed for both daily use and tough work situations. Overall, the 2025 Toyota Hilux is a well-balanced pickup that combines rugged durability with modern updates. It's built for drivers who demand reliability, strength, and practical features all in one solid package. Thanks for watching Drive Cars. Make sure to like and subscribe for more reviews like this.